This is class number 6 with Xenia.
And Sander.
And today we've done flying Charlestons. We used a simple 6-count entry. Back step, kick, step, back step. From here we continued into a flying Charleston, which is back step, kick, and kick. And we finished with a simple exit. Important for the flying Charleston. Firstly, on your back step and going forward, make sure that you cover some distance so that you take your partner with you. And the kicks are generally kicks to the front and in, down. Kicks to the front and in, down. What you don't want to do is swing your legs around like this.
Yes, in general we do kicks and steps very small.
Yeah. Then also an important thing is to really use your body when you're rotating, when you're changing direction, instead of using your arm. Your arm comes later. Your arm actually follows your body. And the last thing is really lean in to your steps instead of staying upright all the time,
Yeah.
like that. And then we added a little variation where we did some extra steps. And we're going to finish on that next week.